Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be walking through an interesting IoT project using the NodeMCU-based. We'll be gathering data from various sensors and sending this data to Thingspeak and Firebase. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the libraries and definitions at the top of our code. We include libraries for Wi-Fi, a web server, temperature sensors, DS18B20 and DHT11, Thingspeak and Firebase integration. Next, we define the sensor pins and the Wi-Fi credentials. We also set up the Thingspeak and Firebase credentials. Here, we initialize the objects needed for our sensors and services. In the setup function, we configure the serial communication, connect to Wi-Fi, and start our sensors and web server. The handler route function handles incoming web requests and displays the sensor data. The update Thingspeak and Firebase function collects sensor data and sends it to Thingspeak and Firebase. Finally, in the loop function, we handle web server clients and periodically update Thingspeak and Firebase with the sensor data. And that's it. We've set up a complete IoT system that reads data from sensors, displays it on a web page, and uploads it to Thingspeak and Firebase. This project is great for anyone looking to get started with IoT and cloud services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.